In this video, I am going to show you how to create a universal Google Analytics account, even with this whole rollout of the new type of analytics account called GA4. All right, so let's get stuck into this video. So I'm going to assume that you already have a Google account. I'm actually logged into my Google Analytics property for different websites that I own. And what I'm trying to do is create a new property for a brand new website. So if you don't already have a Google Analytics account, you just basically do a quick Google search for Google Analytics. It will take you to the login page and you can create your account this way. I already have a Google Analytics account and I'm just trying to add a new property to my existing account. Okay, so I've logged into my the admin section in the back end of my analytics account here, and I went to this little gear icon on the bottom here, which has taken me to the admin section. Okay, and then you can see I've got three sort of panels here. I've got account, property, and view. And what I'm going to be doing is creating a new property. All right, so what I want to do is for this brand new website here, Chasing Income, you can see there's no analytics tag here, and I want to be creating a new analytics property to put on that new website. Okay, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to go create property. And here, the default is going to be to create what's called a Google Analytics 4 property, which I want to do, but I also want to do a universal analytics property. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to say show advanced options. And what I want to do is I want to toggle this on to also create a universal analytics property. Okay, so I need to put in my URL, chasingincome.com. Oops, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this last backslash. I am also going to put in Chasing Income. I'm going to set the time zone to be, actually I'm going to leave it at United States because that's where most of the traffic is going to be coming. US dollars, that's fine. Okay, cool. So here I want to create both a Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property, or I can also select create a Universal Analytics property only. Okay, so I'm happy to create both, that's fine. And then I click next. And it's asking me a bit more information about my business, self-state experience, industry category. I'll just say finance, small, it doesn't really matter. That'll do. And then we click create. And it's going to create it for us. And then we're going to get, oh, don't really want that. Cool. And then we're going to get the tag that we've got to put on our website. Okay, so you can either put it straight in the back end of your website if you're using WordPress or something, or you can use Google Tag Manager. I am a big fan of Google Tag Manager, so that is the way that I will ultimately be putting it on my website. And so, cool. So actually where I get my code is, so here we can see it's created the Chasing Income GA4, but I want this one. And I go to tracking info, tracking code, and then this is going to be the tracking code that I put on my website. Okay, so there you have it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up icon, and thanks for watching.